Hey everyone, it's Kimberly, your go-to real estate agent in Tucson, Arizona, and today I am happy to introduce you to my latest listing in Marana, Arizona. This immaculate 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 3.5-car garage home with additional office and a den is now available in the popular Gladden Farms community. This previous model home is full of upgraded luxury features throughout, including wide hallways, upgraded light fixtures and ceiling fans, customized interior paint, extra storage, high ceilings, open floor plan, and endless natural light. Your gourmet kitchen offers stainless steel appliances, gas stove, stone countertops, sizable pantry, extensive countertop space, and separate dining area. The massive sliding doors in your living space provide lovely views of your spacious and low-care backyard with large covered patio space and dining gazebo for entertaining. This beautiful backyard is large enough for a pool and features low-care desert plantings, pet-friendly turf, tons of extra shade, and lovely cacti. And no home behind means extra privacy for you. Your oversized 3.5-car garage offers an additional large bump out in the back for bikes, gym, workshop, extra toys, and storage. The high-end water filtration system filters water for the entire house. Upstairs, every window offers outstanding mountain views. Your spacious primary suite offers an enormous closet, plus double sinks and private toilet in the bathroom. Enjoy your massive loft for games and fun, plus 4 generously sized bedrooms, including 3 with walk-in closets and 1 with a queen-sized Murphy bed. In addition to all of this, you will find sprinklers throughout the home for fire protection. All kitchen and laundry room appliances stay. Low HOA dues provide parks, walking and bike paths throughout, plus dog parks and a splash pad for hot days. This beautiful turnkey home is ready to welcome you. When you or a friend are ready to purchase or sell a home in the Tucson area, I would love to assist. All my contact information is in the description below each video on this YouTube channel. I am a born and raised Tucsonan with in-depth community knowledge to help you in your home buying journey, and I work all over the city and suburbs. I also have an extensive marketing package when you're ready to list your home for sale, and I feature all of my listings on this channel for additional advertising. Consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel to follow along with more Tucson news and learn more about things to do and see and know about this city, my hometown. I really appreciate you hanging out with me today, and I will see you in the next Tucson video or when we go to buy or sell a home together.